everyone. So today we have Miss Angela Warren, and we are just going to ask her a couple questions about her business. And we are so excited to have her. Angela, would you mind telling us how you initially heard about us?
So I initially heard about MarketCrest through another attorney that's using MarketCrest's skills and talents. And so he's actually in Texas. I'm in California. So because we're not rivals at all, he was able to share this life-changing information, just absolutely life-changing information. It's been incredible. The ride's been wild and incredible because it's gone way beyond what I could have ever imagined. When I started with MarketCrest, I was at 600,000. That was like a couple of years ago. Last year, we hit over 1 million. And this year, we're on track to hit 2 million. And those numbers, I just would not have thought. And I'm talking money in the bank. I'm not talking in contracts, for example, like the value of a contract. When I'm talking about the increased revenue, I'm talking actually dollars in the bank. It's been absolutely incredible. For that reason, I don't have any problem recommending MarketCrest. I've actually dealt with other marketing companies, and I was actually turned off until I heard about Scott and his team. That has now I know that MarketCrest is like the optimum. Okay, they should be the standard for other marketing firms because I'm serious. There are so many that do it wrong, that just absolutely do it wrong. But MarketCrest absolutely will increase the revenue. I was able to move out of the space I had before because I was growing so quickly. So I moved into a much nicer spot across from the Transamerica building and opened up another production office in Honduras. And I went from having 3 of us to 13 people. And again, that's in 2 years.
Wow. We love hearing that, the life-changingness of it all. We really appreciate you saying that. That is incredible, truly. Do you have anything you want to add?
Yeah, I just want to say we have been so impressed with you. It has been such a joy to work with you from the very, very beginning. I just can't say enough about how you run the firm and your entrepreneurial side, because a lot of lawyers are great with law, but they don't have a lot of business instincts because maybe they didn't go to business school. And so they have areas of weakness. But every time we said, hey, let's do a little more, let's try this, let's advertise for this, let's raise the budget, can your team handle it? You were always like, my team can handle this. Are you sure? Like, my team can handle this. And they did every single time. And including some incredible intake results beyond what we see some of the times. I mean, your ability to get people to show up for the consultation, to find out their real needs, appeal to those needs, and close them is phenomenal. And it allows you to get a greater ROI on your Google ad dollars than just about anybody we've ever seen. We were always proud of the numbers that people got. It was great. We thought it was crazy. And you and your team have beat those numbers even, and had months where you had an 8 or 9 times return on your Google ad spend.
So Angela, how long after you started with us, and I know that's been a minute, so if you can remember back, how long after you started with us did the phone start ringing for you and you started getting those calls?
So it took about 2 months, I want to say. It's interesting. I was first reluctant because MarketCrest redid my website. And I used to get about 10 new clients a month through my website. And MarketCrest says, well, Angela, you need to change the website. I know what they're trying to say to me in a nice way, that I had a crappy website, but
yeah, but that's scary.
It did 10 people a month. Well, now we get at least 10 people a day. So, like I said, it's been a leap of faith, but it's been totally worth it.
Wow, that is crazy. 10 a month to 10 a day. That's wild.
Yes. Yeah,
So
and it only, like I said, it only took about 2 months. Now it's been growing, increasingly, right? Because then you get the word of mouth from the closed business. But
mhm.
it took about 2 months before we were like, in fact, my staff looked at me and said, Angela, what's going on? Because they couldn't imagine it. I told them things were going to change, but they had no idea how things were going to change.
That
Neither did I.
organic traffic
Yeah,
changes everything, that traffic.
great success story.
Mhm.
So where are you going to take the firm? Where does it go from here? What's your
So
vision?
what we're doing is we're adding more bodies. I just hired 3 new people. I'm really excited about them coming on. Where we also opened up another part of the practice called T visas, which are just now starting to become more important. And the
Mhm.
good thing about the T visa is that it applies in so many different cases to allow people to get legal status. So we're doing a big push on the T visas and continuing to grow.
That's so exciting. Thank you so much for sharing all that with us. We really appreciate it, and how life-changing
Sure.
it's been, not only for you, but for us too, to see and to be empowered by you and to be inspired by you and to take that into our other clients as well.
Oh yeah, I would say to any immigration attorney out there, this is a no-brainer. This is a no-brainer. You've got to do this.